The world of drones is full of compromises. Do you want portability? You lose features. Do you want high-end video? You pay thousands and need FAA registration. Then, DJI quietly dropped a drone that solved every single problem. The DJI Neo 2 is under the 250-gram registration limit. It shoots blazing fast 4K video. It has obstacle sensing that outperforms drones twice its size. It's the ultimate beginner's dream and the pro's secret weapon for quick, stunning shots. There's just one massive problem if you live in the United States. While it's conquering the skies in Europe, Canada, and Brazil, it is conspicuously absent from official US stores. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't just a review. This is an exposé on the best drone release of the year, a deep dive into the features that make it mandatory, and the geopolitical storm that is keeping this under 250G marvel out of your hands. If you are a creator, a traveler, or someone who is tired of the FAA's red tape, this is the story you absolutely need to hear. The Neo 2's deceptive power, the sub-250G king. Let's start with a feature that rewrites the rulebook, the weight. At just 151 grams, about 5.3 ounces, the DJI Neo 2 completely skirts the US FAA's mandatory registration for recreational pilots. This is critical. It means instant, hassle-free flight for millions of creators. But the size is deceiving. This is no toy. The Neo 2 is rumored to house an advanced half-an-inch CMOS sensor, capable of shooting true 4K at 60 frames per second, and, incredibly, 4K at 100 frames per second for ultra-slow motion. Think about that. Cinematic, broadcast-quality slow motion, all in a drone that weighs less than a can of soda. The footage you can capture is sharper, cleaner, and has more dynamic range than any drone in its price class, thanks to its new 2-axis mechanical gimbal, a massive leap from the original Neo single-axis setup. This drone single-handedly makes the beginner drone market obsolete. You are getting pro-level video quality in a package you can toss in a jacket pocket. The AI brain. Why you won't crash this drone? The real revolution of the Neo 2 isn't the camera, it's the intelligence. DJI has packed this tiny chassis with features you typically only find on their $1,000 plus flagships. The most critical upgrade is the omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The Neo 2 features an advanced sensor suite, including forward-facing LiDAR, light detection and ranging, and omnidirectional vision systems. This creates a virtual bubble of awareness around the drone. What does that mean for you? It means you won't crash it. It means true, reliable active track that can follow you while you run, cycle, or skateboard, adjusting its path instantly to avoid trees and power lines. It's so smart, some reviewers are calling it the first un-crashable drone for beginners. And for the content creators, the new smart selfie mode and gesture control allow for completely hands-free, automated shots. You perform a gesture, the drone flies out, frames the perfect shot, full body, group, whatever, and autonomously captures a cinematic clip before returning to your palm. The Neo 2 isn't just a drone, it's your personal, flying, AI-powered cameraman. The FPV element and the great US ban mystery. Now, for the pilot in you. The Neo 2 is fully compatible with the DJI goggles and motion